Who's ready for some ice cream fun? Chocolate ice cream, vanilla ice cream, mint chocolate chip, and strawberry ice cream. White scoop, pink scoop, brown scoop, green scoop, more ice cream, please. Yellow, purple, orange, red, blue, white, brown, pink, blue, green. That's a lot of ice cream. But we're not going to eat it all at once because we'll get a tummy ache. Construction vehicles. Cement mixer. Orange, yellow. Orange and yellow cement mixer. Tow truck. Yellow, orange. Yellow and orange tow truck. Dump truck. Yellow and orange dump truck. Trains. Train. Red train. Blue train. Green train. Emergency vehicles. Ambulance. White ambulance. Fire truck. Red fire truck. Police car. Blue police car. Construction vehicles. Cement mixer. Orange, yellow. Orange and yellow cement mixer. Tow truck. Yellow, orange. Yellow and orange tow truck. Dump truck. Yellow and orange dump truck. Trains. Train. Red train. Blue train. Green train. Emergency vehicles. Ambulance. White ambulance. Fire truck. Red fire truck. Police car. Blue police car. I wonder what toys are hiding inside our garages today. Here we have a blue garage, white garage, and a red garage. Let's try the blue garage. Uh-oh, it's locked. This one's locked too. How about the red one? Oh no, they're all locked. But that's okay because we have keys. So let's try opening the blue garage with the blue key. Okay. What surprise is in here? It's Marshall! This is a Marshall pup and this is a bath toy. He wears a red hat. Now let's see who's inside the white garage. Let's try the white key. I think I know who this is. This is Chase. And Chase always wears a blue hat. So now we have Chase and Marshall. Now we have one more garage to open, and that's the red one. Let's try the red key for the red garage. It's Sky! Sky is wearing a pink hat with pink goggles. Cute! So now we have Sky wearing pink, Chase wearing blue, and Marshall wearing red. Blue car carrier. Helicopter. Yellow helicopter. Beep beep. Green car. Green. Red fire truck. Red. Beep beep. Blue. Blue car. Red Fire truck. Blue car. Green car. And the yellow helicopter. Blue car carrier. Who's ready for some ice cream fun? Chocolate ice cream. Vanilla ice cream. Mint chocolate chip. And strawberry ice cream. White scoop. Pink scoop. Brown scoop. Green scoop. More ice cream, please. Yellow. Purple. Orange. Red. Blue. White. Brown. Pink. Blue. Green. That's a lot of ice cream. But we're not going to eat it all at once because we'll get a tummy ache.